If you're looking for Windows games on itch.io, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to filter the marketplace and find exactly what you want. Whether you're searching for free indie games, hidden gems, or just want to browse titles that run on Windows, this method makes it simple and fast. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once the website loads, you'll see the main itch.io homepage with a lot of different games and categories. Now, on the left side of the page, look for the filter menu. This is where itch.io lets you narrow down your search based on platform, price, genre, and more. To find Windows games specifically, scroll through the filter options until you see the platform section. Under that section, click Windows. As soon as you select Windows, itch.io will update the results and show you only the games that are available for Windows devices. This is the fastest way to avoid browsing through games that are made for other platforms like Mac or Linux. If you want, you can keep combining filters after this to refine your search even more. For example, you could look for free games, jam entries, or specific genres while still keeping the Windows filter active. That makes it much easier to discover the exact type of game you're interested in. And that's really all there is to it. You simply open itch.io, use the left-hand filter menu, and click Windows under the platform section to see Windows-compatible games. It's a quick and beginner-friendly way to browse the site without wasting time. If this tutorial helped, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.